Here's a large parcel of low-grade potch and colour of Nobby's seam. You find a few fossils amongst it. Of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, rules in millimetres. The material's been wetted. Okay, I've just zoomed in a bit. This is some of the material. You can see there's some small pieces there with a bit of colour in it. There may be a few larger pieces with colour, but it's, as I've tipped it out of the bag, I haven't searched through it yet. Some of this honey potch type material. Other pieces like this need to be cut with a saw to see what's inside. Piece of seam. Doesn't look like much colour though. Pieces like that. Here's a big piece of semi-crystal potch. Few of the smaller pieces, there's colour. Nothing outstanding, but there is some pieces with colour. Oops. A little stone out of that. But to get the feel for cutting opal, this is not a bad sort of place to start, in that some of these are larger pieces. You can hold them to practice cutting, holding and cutting, shaping. About having your own dop stick. Some of these pieces with the black centres, it's worthwhile slicing them. Look inside. This piece of grey potch, that piece. There's a piece that's been semi-worked. Anyway, there's a lot there to look at. Hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.